Hello, this is Eugenia from the Age of Grace, and I want to welcome you to my very first unboxing. Today I am unboxing an item for my home, and I actually teamed up with a few other ladies to once a month do a sustainable spotlight, and that's part of what my brand is, and theirs as well, to start focusing on things that we can reuse, things that have craftsmanship, things that have a history, things that have a story, not anything throw away. So as I go into this unboxing, don't forget to go visit my blog for the full story. And actually today what I am featuring is Estelle Colored Glass. It is hand-blown vintage looking glass, but it's not vintage, but the company that makes it is nearly 123 years old. So without further ado, I want to go into the unboxing of my very special gift to myself. It's a birthday gift to myself from Estelle Colored Glass. So here we go. Oh, there's a note from the owner, and the owner's name is Stephanie. So she's thanking me for my order. Says, "We are happy to have you as our customer and we hope you love your purchase." And then it gives care instructions as well. So Stephanie Hall is the owner. She's based out of South Carolina. So I'm excited to be able to support businesses like this in my new venture with going a sustainable focus. So her story says that Estelle Colored Glass is inspired by her grandmother, Estelle, who loved antiquing and had a special day of the week that she visited her favorite shops looking for new treasures in small neighboring South Carolina towns. During the summer months, Stephanie had the pleasure of coming along on the many treasure hunts from her early childhood up into her college years. And her favorite collection for the grandmother was always adding to her colored glass collection. And this marked the start of her colored glass collection or business. So without further ado, that was the note. I want to show you my wonderful, exquisite piece, hand-blown glass, colored glass. I don't know if you might remember during the Depression, glass was very big. This is exquisite. It's a pink color. It's actually a blush color. I shared with them a picture of my china because I wanted it to match. And so here you can see it's a blush color. I didn't want the pink. I think the pink would have been too much, but oh my gosh, there's a watermark on here. But how exquisite is this? So it is from Estelle Colored Glass collection. And as I mentioned, I'm teaming up with some other ladies the first Thursday of every month. Check out my blog for the full story, and also check out the other ladies to see what their home feature is on this sustainable spotlight, our very first one. Thank you. Eugenia from the Age of Grace.